sabi niyo nga non-negotiable, no? Non-negotiable yung December 31 deadline. Ini-insist naman nila na ayaw talaga nila mag-modernize. And both Piston and Manibela are insisting that. So, ano to, stalemate na? Or paano ba?
Well, ma'am, kung maalala po ninyo, when our chairman Guadis personally approached them sa kanilang transport strike, meron pong 4 na major concerns na na-raise. No? Unang-una po doon, yung pag-waive ng penalties. For the knowledge po of the public, lahat po ng mga jeepneys at lahat po ng humahawak ng prangkisa, they have to pay po a 1,000 confirmation fee every year. So during this consolidation, ma'am, you will see all of their documents and you will scrutinize each and every documents that they've submitted. Makikita po natin, some of the drivers and operators, meron na silang violation na 10,000. So ma'am, 1,000 pesos every year. So meaning 10 years na po yung kanilang mga violation. Bakit po nagkaroon ng ganitong violation? Before kasi ma'am, walang interconnectivity ang LTFRB and LTO. Ang proseso po kasi, pag nakuha nila yung confirmation, yun po ang gagamitin para makapagparehistro sa LTO. So ang nangyayari po way back, diretso sila sa LTO. So isa po sa napagkasunduan is to waive those penalties. So okay na po yun, that's doable. Second po yung nabanggit po na franchise. Ma'am, kaya lang naman po 1 year lang ang provisional authority nila is to make sure din also na magiging parte sila ng PUVMP. Pero ang assurance, pag sila po ay nasa ilalim na ng kooperatiba, 5 years na po ang ibibigay na franchise sa kanila. And kapag mas moderno po ang kanilang mga sasakyan, mas bago, 7 years na po yung franchise na ibibigay sa kanila. Ang hindi lang, ma'am, doable, just to answer po your question, ang request po kasi nila is to scrap the consolidation process. And what they were asking, ma'am, is to totally scrap the program. Which is, ma'am, hindi yun ang direksyon ng gobyerno. We can simplify the process of consolidation, but not to
What do
totally
you mean
scrap.
by simplifying that process?
Well, ma'am,
Gaano
number one,
kasimple,
napakadami po kasing clearances kapag tayo ay mag-a-apply ng consolidation. At ngayon po, sinimplihan lang. On or before December 31, just an affidavit of consolidation. It's a 2-pager affidavit to 3. Maximum na po yung 4. Yun lang po, it's an affidavit at least to show your intention that you would be part of the
So, intention.